Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today we're back with a mailbag. And I'm here with Benny Boy because he does all the work. We're gonna answer your questions and just shoot the shit, so to speak, if that's okay with you.
Yeah, we made lunch too.
Yeah, we got a little B.L.T here, the classic B.L.T.
Come on.
And the reason why I'm holding it this way is because I was ahead of the game, took 2 bites out of it. Because I was a gavone who could not wait. So, sorry about that, folks. Fantastic.
Do you have a memorable B.L.T. from your childhood?
Mm-hmm. My mom actually made a beautiful B.L.T. She always had bacon in the house. That was like one of the few things that she really, really loved.
Well, no, it's funny. That's the one thing your mom and my mom have in common. There's always bacon in the house.
Really, Becky?
My mom eats bacon as a treat. She cooks up bacon, puts it into bits, puts it in the freezer.
In the freezer, okay.
And then throughout the day, she'll get like a little handful of frozen bacon while she's listening to Meg and Kelly. And that's a Sunday.
Could I tell you something? Weird as shit, but I kind of like it.
It's not bad.
I'm not saying it's bacon.
Yeah, exactly.
But why the freezer?
I don't know. I guess to preserve it, I guess.
Let's call her.
Should we call Bex?
Call Becky.
Ready for some food questions?
Yeah, let's go.
Baked clams.
Yeah.
How do you make the sauce soak up with Italian bread?
How do you make is this a trick question?
This is a real question we got.
Has this person never used bread or consumed bread? Are you sure that question is written right?
How do you make the
Let's
sauce
hear it again.
soak up with Italian bread?
So you cut a piece of the bread or tear it off. If I'm understanding this correctly,
No, you got it.
You then put it in the sauce. What I like to do is go clockwise
Why?
around the plate.
I know what clockwise is.
Right?
Why?
That's just my method.
Okay.
There's no reason. You want to go the other way, you go the other way. You want to go up and down like that, you do it. However you want to do it.
Yeah, I go tic-tac-toe.
That's fine. You do whatever you want. Bomb, 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 like that, okay? But you get it from the outer edge and you work it in.
Sure.
Then you flip it. You get your fork and you repeat the process. You get that thing all soaked up. Woo! Hell yeah.
Does your fettuccine Alfredo dish actually cost $700?
Yes, it did. It was just shy, actually.
Just shy?
I live in LA. The gas is $7.
Exactly. You didn't even buy that much pasta, but it was still $700.
If you factor in the I had to go out and get all of the supplies, use some gas.
I don't know if people know this, but you're from New York, which is crazy. That's why you've got the Mets hat on. You got the Mets Good Cooking colors on.
This is in honor of the Knicks, the Mets. This is a combined, if you threw in the Islanders, the New York Islanders, the hockey team, it's a combined 140 years of no wins.
That's what that is called?
It's crazy.
Yeah.
This will be the model. When we start selling these, which will be soon, this model will be called No Wins. No rings, no wins. That's what you get.
Well,
nice color combo.
Do you know what color combo you did here?
Got a little gold. It looks like the Vegas Knights, the hockey team, but
Oh,
who's
yeah.
going to tell me?
No, you did LAFC.
Oh,
Yeah, the Vatos are gonna love this hat.
yeah. In any event, we will be selling these, folks.
Well, as a New Yorker, rank the 5 boroughs in terms of best Italian food options.
That is a great question,
Thank
and
you.
this is going to infuriate everybody I know. Wow. Can I have a moment to think about that? I was not anticipating this question.
Take your time, I got bacon to eat.
Yeah, you got bacon to eat. You know, I'm a Queens born and raised, so I have a lot of really great spots that I love in Queens, but it's not my number one.
Really?
No.
Wow.
It's not my number one. And Manhattan has a lot of great places, but I gotta tell you, I like the boroughs because that's where you get the real people. I'm gonna go Brooklyn. This is
Wow,
yeah.
Brooklyn.
I'm gonna go Brooklyn.
Pre or post gentrification?
Oh, pre. Still
Has it
holding.
gotten worse post gentrification?
Yeah, it's crazy to sit in a 110-year-old Italian restaurant and some guy's in there with like
His dog having a green
flip flops and a tattoo. That's just like a pair of scissors because he does hair or whatever.
Yeah.
But I gotta tell you, there's a lot of great spots in Staten Island.
I thought that might be the sleeper.
It's really up there. I'm going Brooklyn, Staten Island. I'm gonna get a lot of heat for that.
Wow.
And I'm a Queens guy.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Manhattan, I'll do 3.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And I'm going to do the Bronx 4th and Queens 5th.
Queens 5th?
Yeah.
How is Queens 5th?
I have my spots that I love in Queens.
Of course.
No disrespect to all of the wonderful spots in Queens, but sorry, I betrayed my borough.
Well, we hope all of you people comment with just your slight.
Yeah, they're gonna get
on
heated
his
about
takes.
this.
Really get after him. Get personal.
Yeah.
You know, make
Fine.
comments about his appearance
Fine.
and his culture and his heritage. Really get after him. Last question. What is the absolute key to a B.L.T?
You gotta make sure you put enough mayo. You think it's small, but it's key. When the tomato mixes with the mayo and the bacon flavor, it creates that. You need enough mayo on both sides of the bread. So if you're gonna make a B.L.T, make sure you don't cheap out on the mayo on both sides of that bread. B.L.T is an excellent sandwich. You know what it is? I think you end up loving the simplicity of stuff like this. I think the less that there is going on, the better something is in all facets of life.
Amen.
You know what I'm saying?